In this guide, I'll show you how to get GameCube on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down and go to Nintendo Switch Online and sign into your main Nintendo account where you intend to purchase Nintendo Switch Online plus the expansion pack. So if you scroll down to right here, you can have a look through and see all of the benefits of getting Nintendo Switch Online plus the expansion pack, as well as, of course, Nintendo GameCube. Now, currently, there's only 3 games. There's going to be a lot more that will be coming out. So if you scroll down to your membership on the left sidebar, you'll be able to select a membership option here. So this is going to open up the Nintendo eShop, and here you can see the regular Nintendo Switch Online, plus Nintendo Switch Online plus the expansion pack, and you want to select this one. So here you can select the individual membership or family membership. I'm just going to go with the individual one. And that's going to bring us to this page where you may have to sign into your Nintendo Switch account. So here you can sign in with your QR code or with the other sign-in method. So after you sign in, it's going to bring you to this page to confirm your purchase, and you just want to scroll down to the very bottom once you've input your payment method, and then select Confirm Purchase. So once you have Nintendo Switch Online with the expansion pack, you can come back to this page and scroll down to Nintendo Classics, and then you just want to select the GameCube. Then we're going to go to Free Download, which is going to bring us to the Nintendo eShop, and then you want to scroll over and select Free Download again. Then once more, scroll down and select Free Download, and then the Nintendo GameCube is going to download on your Nintendo Switch 2. So once it's finished, you can open it up, and here you'll be able to see the library of GameCube games that you'll be able to play. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.